Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some ornaments that are great to give as gifts. And they're so easy to make. The first ones we're going to make is using these smaller little plastic ornaments that you can get from Dollar Tree. These actually are 2 for $1, so that's so affordable. And we're going to use some green and red raffia. I think I got the raffia from Rite Aid. You get a big spool of it, and you really don't, it looks like I'm using a lot, but I really am not. So I'm going to add raffia to the inside of the ornaments, filling them up. That's a personal preference. Fill them up as much or as little as you want. I'm going to be doing that to both ornaments. One will be with the red, the other will be with the green. And these are cute if you want to stop right here and put the lid back on, put a bow on it. They're super cute to add color, especially the more, where am I going with this? The green and the red, the more traditional, there we go, traditional Christmas colors. I just wrapped some of the extra raffia around the top, and then I put the lid right back on over it. That will hold it in place, and just tied a bow. After I tied the bow, I grabbed some more of the raffia and I fed it through the little loop, and I made a little raffia hanger by just tying it in a double knot. So like I said, these are super cute exactly the way they are, especially if you want to add some traditional colors to your decor, but you can take it one step further. And on the green, I just freehand painted. It's really wonky the way I did it, but it worked out. I just wanted a chunky little white Christmas tree on it. So on the green one, I painted a Christmas tree by just doing a really wonky outline. Now that I'm looking at it, it's so funny how I did this. And then I came back in and filled it in white. And because the green is inside the ornament, you don't even need to paint any green on this. That green raffia inside takes care of that. And it's just really cute to have a little white Christmas tree on the green one. And then I'll show you what I did on the red one. I'm sure you can guess where I'm going with it, right? The shortest one. So of course on the red one it screamed Santa. So I thought I would just freehand paint a Santa belt on it by painting a square in white, and then coming back in with a black chalk marker and just drawing a line going all the way around it and filling it in just a little bit. I actually didn't fill it in all the way. That way the red would still show through. And then I outlined my white box in the black chalk pen or paint pen. And then I drew a black square in the center of the white. And that was Santa's belt. And this turned into a super cute Santa's belt ornament. So easy and affordable. And I just think that adding ornaments to presents is so personal, and just people just tend to really love handmade ornaments. And then they have something to put on their tree that reminds them of you every time, every year when they decorate. Or if you have that person at work that you don't know what to give them, ornaments is such a great present. So the next ornament we're going to do, not all of us live in states that are cold and they get snow. There's a lot of people down south that don't see snow. So I thought it would be cute to make a beach ornament. I had these really pretty teal stones, and then over the summer I had bought these little jars with shells that Dollar Tree had. And in the larger plastic ornament, they fit perfectly. So I just added the teal stone, I added the shells, I put a pretty ribbon on top, and voila, you have a nice little seashell beach ornament. And this is so cute. I love incorporating the beach in my Christmas decor, just because usually around that time of year, even though we don't get snow, we do get a little colder, and it reminds me of happy summer times. Now this ornament, because of the stone, is heavy. So it wasn't just, I couldn't just put the topper back on. It actually came off. So I did take it off, and I added a little hot glue to secure the top to the plastic ornament. I was very fast because I did not want to melt the plastic ornament. And I know I'm sped up here, but if you just wait a couple seconds, it won't melt it, and it won't be too hot to put that little metal topper piece back on, if that makes sense. My tree was too small. I don't have my big tree up yet. My tree was too small to hang this, so I just put it on top of a little glass jar just to be able to show you its cuteness. And I absolutely love this little beach seashell ornament. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. So we're going to use the 2 for $1 plastic ornaments, the smaller ones, again from Dollar Tree, for this next little project. And Dollar Tree had a bunch of beads this year. They were all different shapes and sizes and different colors. And I had bought, I think you got like all of the colors for $1, but different shapes. So you could buy the little square, you could buy the oval, you could buy the circles, and I just opened them all up and put them in a little container. Now this one, I'm putting all the pink ones. So you have all different shapes and sizes in it for like a baby girl ornament. I don't know any baby girls being born, but I do know of a baby boy being born soon. And so I went and did one with all the little blue beads, saving some of the square ones out for the handle. And my best friend's first grandchild's going to be born either at the end of December or sometime in January. So I thought it would be cute to make her a little baby boy ornament to put on her tree, even if he's not born this year. His name is going to be Maverick. So with a black chalk pen or paint, why do I keep saying chalk pen? Paint pen, I freehanded Maverick on it. I did it in all capital letters and adding little dots to the peaks of the letters. This is so easy to do, and you don't have to love your handwriting to be able to do this. I think there's going to be a lot of babies being born either at the end of this year or beginning of next, considering there was a lot of people at home this year. So this is actually a really cute ornament to make for that special someone who might be expecting.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're going to do.
I love how you get that snow globe effect, or that's what I call it, when you can turn an ornament and it moves around inside, and all those different beads are different sizes and shapes, and I think that's super cute. So the square beads that I held out, I took 3 of them, and on each side I painted an A, a B, a C, and a D. And then I kept some plain. And I just took some wire and put 2 of the plain ones, and I put 3 of the ones. I was trying to go for children's blocks look with the A, B, C, and D on them. I put those in the middle, and I put 2 solid ones on either end. And then I just twisted the metal wire around to secure it, and then I twisted it on the loop of the ornament, and that can be your hanger. I did not date this. Like I said, I don't know if Maverick's going to be born in 2020 or 2021. But if you know when your special little someone's going to be born, you can always put a date on the back. And you can always put baby's first Christmas as well. But this is just so cute and so affordable to make a little Christmas baby ornament. My last ornament is also going to be using one of these 2 for $1 plastic ornaments, but I am going to be using this cloth that I found in the automotive section at Dollar Tree, and it's white and it's so soft. I think you use it to like wash your car maybe, or wax it. I'm not sure. It's in the automotive section. And again, the video is sped up, but what I did here, because the ornament is plastic, I put hot glue on the back of the I don't even know what you call it, the material to wash your car. I let it sit there for a second before putting it up, just to give the hot glue a little chance to cool down just a little bit. That way it would not melt the plastic ornament, and that worked perfect. And then I just did the corners. I would put hot glue in the corner, I would let it just sit for a second or two to cool down, and then I would bring it up onto the plastic ornament on all 4 corners, and then I just reattached the handle, and it made the cutest, softest, fluffiest snowball ornament. It's so adorable. This is probably my favorite one because I love snowballs, and I thought this would be so cute with a burlap ribbon to hang it from. If your snowball is a little too fluffy or out of shape, you can trim it up with scissors. And then I grabbed my buffalo check-in black ribbon and I just made a little hanger, and voila, so simple, so easy, and it is just adorable. The rest of that fabric you can also use as fake snow, and that's what I'm showing you here. You can just put it on a tray or your table and set something on it, and it really looks like snow, and it's so stinking soft. Oh my gosh, I need to go back to Dollar Tree and grab a couple more of these because I want to make some more snowballs. And there it is, hanging on my tree. I absolutely love this little snowball ornament. I'm going to give you a little recap of all the ornaments we did and just some inspiration if you want to make the loved ones in your life some personalized little ornaments for Christmas. Here's some ideas. I love y'all. I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day. By the time this video airs, hopefully I will have decorated for Christmas. I've done videos probably since summer for Christmas. So I think when this one airs, I'm going to have been decorating that weekend. Have you guys decorated your house yet? It's getting to be almost Thanksgiving. It's time to break out those Christmas decorations. I love y'all, and I will see you soon. Bye, y'all.